Hello friends, welcome to my channel Campus Info. So FINOIT is hiring for the role of software trainee. The job location is Noida and the number of openings are 25 and the package they are offering is 4.2 lakh per annum. So the eligibility criteria for this role is the pupil have their bachelor's of degree in engineering technology and the branch that are eligible are computer science, information technology, electronics and communication, and the percentage that they are required in this job are 70% and above throughout the academic, like in 10 12th, and in graduation like btech and bachelor's of engineering, and the year of pass out is 2022. Who are going to pass out in 2022, they are eligible to apply for this role. So the people who have desired skills in C, C++, Java or any other programming language, that will be very helpful in cracking the interview rounds. And the people who will be selected for this role, they are going to work on the technology like .NET, Java, Node.js, PHP, Python, Angular framework, Android, iOS development. Like this technology they are going to work. And the exam pattern will be, there will be first round containing 105 minutes, will have aptitude and programming questions, and second choice will be logical and aptitude reasoning, and they contain 20 question and 30 minutes to solve, and coding round contain 2 question only, 75 minutes to solve in and submit the answer. And the second round will be technical interview, which will be a video call and maybe on some meeting app. And third round will be managerial round, in which they have to give certain answers to HR. And HR round also, that will be in panel. So guys who are interested, they must apply, because this is a 6-month training. After that you will get your permanent job. So guys, thanks for watching. I will post this link in the description. Apply before the link expire. Thank you.